What's up, everybody? My name is ThejJordan. Today is November the 26th of November. And I'm here to do another unboxing of some stuff that I got in the mail. It is, there's a couple stuff, you know what I mean? Let's see what it is. It's probably going to be a pretty short one. I will put all the stuff that I have in the description so you can check it out, what it is. This one right here is... Okay, these are the little clickers. Let me show y'all. I got two of them. I don't think what I'm gonna do with these. I'm gonna do a giveaway for people who be on TikTok. I will do a giveaway for this one right here. So this all you gotta do if you have a USB port. Now, if you have like a hard drive, like a power base, you hook up a power base to your clicker. And if you want to go to people TikTok or whatever, and so you won't have to keep hitting the button, double tapping, this will do it for you. I have two of them. I will probably get this out as a giveaway. I will put this in the description so you can see what it's about and get this thing popping. So let's get that out the way. Oh yeah. And the next thing, what is this? Let's see what this is. This one is a enhanced charging dock for the Quest 2. So you know, I got my Quest while I be playing my games. This is a power, the dock. So you got the head. So now I could charge my headset, my controllers at the same time, and it's supposed to be a power charge. So it should be making it faster for me to charge on my stuff. So this is definitely something I need so I can around the house. That way my stuff can be ready for when I get ready to do the Oculus, because there's a lot of games that I have on there, fitness games and stuff I want to do on there as well. And they got a new boxing one on there, so I want to do the boxing, and it's multiplayer. So, this one, let's see what this is. It's a 24-month warranty. Or what is it? Let's open it up. Oh, this right here is the link cable. This is a link of 17 feet, I think 17 feet link cable for the Quest 2. That way I can charge it up and still be able to move around and have to charge it up as well. It's just a backup, so if I can't have the other one, I can still be able to charge my thing up. And it comes with a customer service. And number 3. This is my third item that I have. This is a battery pack. It's for metal and Oculus Quest 2. As you can see, put it on the side of the Oculus, and then you can charge it up. This way, once you charge this up, put it onto your Oculus, then you can move around without having to worry about your thing dying. And it's 5,000 MAB. And got it give you an extra 2 to 4 hours of playtime for VR experience. So this is another thing I wanted to invest in for my Oculus, because my friend got that little boxing game and I couldn't get on because I lost my cord. So I do got it now. So I'm gonna be charging it up. So when next time you see me, we gonna do the boxing. So y'all might see it's not gonna be Strutting Johnny. Make sure you go check out one of his videos, because the next one he might have it where he's gonna stream it where we actually doing the boxing together. We're going to go against multiplayer against each other. So with that being said, thanks for coming by. Remember, whatever you do stuff at your own pace, own moderation. Make sure you stretch, drink water, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Remember, like I always say, fitness is key. Peace and hair grease. Yeah.